Buenos dias.
What's up, Bob?
How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing great.
Hey, we're doing spring cleanup with the C23i. C23i is like a vacuum for your yard. We're gonna be cleaning up all kinds of debris, yard waste, clippings, prunings. It is gonna be a blast, and the C23i is an unbelievable machine to do this work.
Let's go to work.
Let's do it. I want to introduce you to a couple guys. Josh Grand Prix, facilities manager at Walker. He's helping us today. This is Hunter. He's our gardener.
Let's see it.
Yeah, right there.
All right. All right, you got quite the pile over here, Ryan.
Yeah, pretty excited about it. Ain't gonna be nothing for the C23i. Hey, I'm not saying you should, but you can. Hey Bob, hold my juice box.
Backyard is done. The Walker Mower, C23i with the 48-inch deck, C23i with a 52-inch deck made quick and easy work of all that spring cleanup debris. Coming up next, a dethatcher. So think about this for a minute. Spring cleanup is likely one of the first times you touch your customer's grass for the season, right? And they're gonna come home and they're gonna see stripes like that. They're gonna see their beds cleaned out. They're gonna be locked in all summer with you, all because of the productivity of the Walker Mower. Last step, do some pre-emergent for the customer.
Yeah, let's do a little spraying with the A57 boom sprayer.
A 13-inch boom width, so that made quick and easy work of it. Now, he pulled around to the front, 50 feet, all unwound, turns the pump on from the mower, and then he just is able to go in this area. Super cool. He can leave the mower right here, and he can stay productive. Are you all done?
Yeah, what a great day.
Boom, done.
Awesome day out here with the Walker Mower. C23i dominated. New A57 boom sprayer is such a pleasure to run. So productive. Just couldn't ask for a more fun morning with you, Bob, with Josh and Hunter, and we got a lot of work done.
You do all this stuff with one machine, pretty awesome. Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you next time.
All right, see you guys.